bird's nature's living paint palette. But why so colorful? Birds' bright colors aren't just for show. They play a crucial role in survival and attraction. For many species, vibrant feathers help attract mates. Think of it as nature's Tinder. Only the brightest birds get swiped right. But it's not just about romance. Colors can also be a warning. Some birds flash vivid hues to signal danger or to ward off predators. It's like saying, "Stay back, I'm toxic." And here's the kicker. The colors come from pigments and microscopic structures in the feathers. Pigments like carotenoids create reds and yellows, while structural colors produce blues and greens. It's a mix of art and science right on their wings. So next time you see a brightly colored bird, remember, there's more to those feathers than meets the eye.